I live in an apartment.
We live in an apartment.
We live in a house.
I live in a house. She lives in an apartment. They live in a house.
We live in an apartment.
I live in a house.
Rome, Rome, Rome. Rome, Paris, Paris. Paris, Moscow. Moscow. Where do you live?
I live in apartment 8. Where do you live?
I live in apartment 2. Where do you live?
I live in Moscow.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
Where do you live?
We live in Rome.
Where do you live?
We live in Moscow.
Where do you live?
We live in Paris. A country, a country, a country. A country, a city, a city. A city, a bridge. A bridge.
A park. A park. A park. A park. A street. A street. A street. A bridge. A bridge.
A country, a city, a street, a park, a bridge.
The girl is sitting on the bridge. The woman is sitting in the park. The man is standing in the street. The girls are standing on the bridge.
This is in Paris. This street is in Paris. This city is in France. This is in New York. This bridge is in New York. This is in the United States. This city is in the United States.
They are from France. He is from France. She is from France. She is from the United States. She is from the United States. He is from the United States. They are from the United States.
We from the United States. We are from the United States.
I from the United States. I am from the United States.
He from the United States. He is from the United States.
You are from the United States.
China, China, China. China, Russia, Russia. Russia, Egypt. Egypt.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Where are you from?
I am from Egypt.
Where are you from?
We are from France.
Where are you from?
We are from China. The boy is near the house. The dog is near the house. The girl is far from the house. The horse is far from the house.
My house is far from the street. The chair is near the door.
My house is near the street.
The chair is far from the door.
I am near the tree. I am far from the tree. I am near the bridge. I am far from the bridge.
Brazil, Brazil, Brazil. Brazil, Japan, Japan. Japan, Italy. Italy.
The name of this country is Italy. The name of this country is Japan. The name of this country is Russia. The name of this country is Egypt.
Japan is China. Japan is near China. Japan is Brazil. Japan is far from Brazil. Italy is France. Italy is near France. Italy is Brazil. Italy is far from Brazil.
I am a doctor. My name is Nancy Wilson.
I am a police officer. My name is John Clark.
I am a teacher. My name is Sue Simpson.
I am from Russia. My name is Victor Popov.
This is my father. His name is Mike Smith. This is my brother. His name is John Smith. This is my mother. Her name is Ann Smith. My name is Sarah Smith. My name is Mrs. Simpson. I am a teacher. My name is Miss Smith. I am a student.
My name is Ms. Jones. I am a police officer. My name is Ms. Wilson. I am a doctor.
Hi, what is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Mr. Jones.
Nice to meet you.
What is your name?
My name is Bobby.
Nice to meet you.
What is your name?
My name is Mike Smith.
Nice to meet you.
What is your name? My name is Mrs. Jones. Nice to meet you.
Goodbye.
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 Goodbye. Hello.
Hi, what is your name?
My name is Bobby Jones.
Nice to meet you.
Goodbye. Hello. My name is Victor.
Hello. My name is Lynn.
Hello, my name is Isabella.
Hello. My name is Pierre.
I live in Moscow, Russia.
I live in Beijing, China.
I live in Rome, Italy.
I live in Paris, France.
This is my bedroom.
This is my kitchen.
This is my bedroom.
This is my kitchen.
This is my brother. His name is Vladimir. He is sleeping in the bedroom.
This is my mother. Her name is May. She is cooking in the kitchen.
This is my father. His name is Bertrand. He is eating in the dining room.
This is my sister. Her name is Julia. She is playing in the park.